my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Today I'm going to do a requested recipe, and it's also in collaboration. I am collaborating with my good friend Chef Tovia over at Cooking with Tovia. For our collaboration, we're going to do Thanksgiving desserts. I have no idea what kind of dessert he's making, but it's going to be delicious. And y'all go check Chef Tovia out. He has an amazing cooking channel, and he makes some delicious and comforting meals and desserts. Y'all will enjoy him. I'll post a link to his channel and to his recipe down below in the description box. Well, for my recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin spice cake with a pumpkin cream cheese frosting on it. It is so moist and full of pumpkin flavor. And y'all fan of pumpkin spice and cake, y'all will enjoy this recipe. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this cake will satisfy your guest's sweet tooth at your Thanksgiving dinner. So grab your cake pans, your pumpkin, and your mixing sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin spice cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up our wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 can of pureed pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And we're going to add in 1 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar, 4 jumbo eggs that I got to room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract, 3/4 of a cup of canola oil, and 1 cup of my buddy here, evaporated milk. And this is all a dump in the bowl recipe. I love it. And now we're going to mix the wet together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, the wet ingredients is nice and well blended, nice and smooth. Ooh, I can smell the pumpkin. Alright, smells and looks great. Now it's time to add in the dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of sifted self-rising flour plus a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. So now we're going to gently add the dry ingredients into the wet. And we're going to blend all this together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, our cake batter is good and thick and it's nice and well combined. Ooh yeah baby. Smells like fall up in this kitchen. Alright, that looks perfect. Now we're going to pour the cake batter into 3 9-inch round cake pans that are greased with cooking spray and flour, or you can use butter and flour or shortening flour. Alright my friends, I got my cake batters into my pan. Look at that pretty pumpkin color. Alright, so now I'm going to bang it a few times to get some of the air bubbles out. Alright, so now we're ready to put these girlfriends in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 25 to 45 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, it smells incredible up in this kitchen. I have taken my pumpkin spice cakes out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. Alright, they look great. So now we're going to set the cakes aside while we work on a luscious pumpkin cream cheese frosting. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese and 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, the cream cheese and butter is nice and fluffy. So next we're going to add in 1/2 cup of the pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract. And blend all this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through blending the pumpkin and the extract and the pumpkin pie spice. So next, for the final ingredients, we're going to slowly add in 2 pounds, which is 2 16-ounce boxes of powdered sugar that I sifted, We're going to blend the powdered sugar until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our pumpkin cream cheese frosting is done. Now we're ready to frost the cake. I'm going to take a little of the frosting. Alright, that's good. And using my offset spatula, we're just going to spread the icing just like that. Alright my friends, there you have it, pumpkin spice cake. And I garnish it with some pumpkin spice on top. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Alright, now it's time for the best part. I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. OMG my friends, look at that big old southern slice of goodness right there. Look at those beautiful 3 layers and that pumpkin cream cheese frosting. Come to mama. Alright, here we go my friends. And I want to show y'all the texture. Ooh, look at that. Nice and moist. Ooh wee. Good Lord Almighty. This is the bomb.com, my friends. If y'all don't feel like making any pumpkin pie, please make this pumpkin spice cake. Your guests will enjoy it. This deserves another bite. Yum. Oh. Pumpkin spice delicious. Wow, Chef Tovia, I had a wonderful time doing this great Thanksgiving dessert collaboration with you. And again, I'll post a link to his channel and to his recipe down below in the description box. Y'all go check him out. He's awesome. Well, my friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Thanksgiving.